guys, good afternoon. I'm trying to let a little bit more light in here. It's kind of gloomy today. Like the sun isn't out, it's not raining. It looks like it may want to rain later on or something. I don't know what's up with that. And it's not really cold outside, which I'm not surprised because Georgia weather is just crazy anyways like that. Some days it'll be cold, some days it won't. Yeah, so today I don't have much to do today actually. Maybe I should take that back. I do have much to do today, okay? I did not reach my goal yesterday of listing anything on eBay. Time got away from me. It seems like in the beginning part of the day, time went by kind of slow. And then like later on, it kind of sped up and it just kind of went. So I didn't get anything eBay related done yesterday. You know what? I take that back. I got one thing done. I adjusted all of my titles. I had seen a video about making bulletproof titles for eBay. And you know what? I feel like I've seen that information somewhere else. And that's actually how I used to do my eBay titles. So I went through all of my listings yesterday before I went to bed and readjusted how they were. So it didn't look like rushed or anything like that, or like I was just kind of putting anything. And so got that out the way. Other than that, that's all I did for eBay, y'all. I didn't list anything. I didn't clean anything. I didn't do nothing other than adjust the titles, okay? So today we're going to try to make that a goal again. I'm going to hand wash the ties that I showed you guys yesterday. I'm going to wash the rest of the clothes on laundry day, which is Thursday. And I did go to Kroger. Of course, you guys saw that. And I purchased some chicken that I'm going to cook. So I'm going to make barbecue chicken. And I may or may not, depends on how much time I have left before Olivia gets home. Because when she gets home, we typically get started on homework. And that sometimes can vary as far as how long it takes. So I don't know. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, I did just finish editing the video for yesterday, but you guys will probably have already seen it by the time this one gets edited and uploaded. I don't do too much editing to videos. I just, I don't cut anything out or anything like that. And, so it shouldn't take too long. It's the actual part of getting it uploaded. It's the part that seemed like it takes the longest. Whether it's with YouTube or with the computer itself and downloading the edited version or whatever, and then uploading it to YouTube. Sometimes it seems like it takes forever. Sometimes it won't upload and then I have to re-upload or try it again or whatever. Today I did work. It did not go as slow as yesterday, although the calls didn't come in as frequently as they normally do. Sometimes they come in back to back to back to back, but today it was pretty slow, so it was okay. I was able to check my email and all that other stuff in between calls. So another thing I got to do today actually is put up some home security door and window alarms. There is one up already, I think. And it's a one-level house, and it is the holidays, and people get really stupid on the holidays. Every time I turn on the news, some fool is breaking into somebody's house. And, with me being here by myself most of the day, I work in the bedroom, so I don't want to be here, and then I turn around, and then somebody's in the house or something like that. I want to actually hear, and I'm not speaking that into existence. Sometimes you got to be careful what you say. Laura, I do not want that to ever happen to me, but I'm just saying, better safe than sorry, right? So I've got these to put up today. I don't know if you guys have ever used them in your homes, but I don't even know how much these are. I have to ask my mom. She brought them home yesterday, and she wanted me to put them up today. But basically, all they are, it's called Defiant Home Security, and all it is you put it on your window. And when the window is lifted up, it makes like this eerie, loud noise to let you know that basically the window is being opened. So you know, it's just a safety precaution. I do encourage everybody to do that, even if you're not home by yourself and somebody's there with you all the time. You just never know, because like I said, the holidays bring the stupidity out of people. Like, they just do the craziest things, which is why I don't watch the news. I'm so tired of every time I get on the news, or the news is on, or I'm flipping the channel or something, it's some idiot either has broken into somebody's house or has caused some type of harm to somebody else. Like, when does it end? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all I'll be doing today, actually. Just cooking, probably mopping the floor, probably doing homework with Olivia, and putting up these home security window things. And that's pretty much it. Oh, see, almost forgot. Just that fast. And I need to hand wash those ties that I showed you guys from the last video that I picked up from the thrift store. And hopefully I can get those glasses washed too, because I didn't do that either. So yeah, okay. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I almost forgot that. That's like the most important thing to do today, because my goal is to have all of this stuff listed out in the week. So I don't know, we'll see. So to go with the barbecue chicken, I just decided to do can of green beans. This is 3 cans actually, and I flavored the green beans up with some chicken broth here, which had sodium in it, so I didn't add too much salt to it, but I did add some peppers, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and a little bit of olive oil. And then to go with that, I couldn't figure out what else to cook with it, and then I suddenly remembered that we had leftover rice from Thanksgiving, so I'm just going to warm this up in the microwave, or let it sit here for a minute while the chicken is cooking, and then when it's closer to the time to eat, then I'll just warm it up in the microwave, and that'll be dinner for today. Okay, so it's time to put these things up. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it says easy to install, so we shall see. This is actually a 2-pack, and the one that is already on the window in Jaquavius's room is like that. So let's see what it says. It says, let's see, installation and operation. That's for installing batteries. It says clean the surface you want to mount the alarm and using cleaning alcohol or similar. Ensure the surfaces are completely clean and dry. Use a double-sided tape, which is this. Use the double-sided tape to mount the alarm and magnetic sensor on the door or window to be protected. Placing one of the units on the part of the fixture, which opens, and the other on the stationary part of the fixture or frame. Ensure that when the door or window is closed, the dots on the alarm or button are on with less than 15 millimeters. Okay, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna do this first. So I got them in, y'all. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Sometimes I need a visual, so I did have to go in, well, to the other window to see exactly how it looked. But basically, this is the little thingamajiggy that makes all of the noise. It is so loud and annoying, like for real, but you definitely will know when somebody raised this window up, okay? The batteries are in this part, and it's turned on. And this part has to basically align itself. It's like a little indentation right here. And this is the speaker. So yeah, I've got one on this window and the other window over here. And now I just need to do, let's see that one. And then there's one on that window, which I had to go look at and make sure I was doing it right. And so now I just have to do the one in the room. See, y'all, here's a prime example of why these little shindigs are needed right here. I'm in my stepson's room, and I just happened to come in here to check to see if this was on, and obviously it needs a new battery because it's not on. I mean, it's on, but there's no alert noise. And look, he's at school today, but look at the window, and you can see the ground, so anybody can just walk up to this window, open it, and crawl on up in here. There's no screen on the window, but you guys get what I'm saying. You see it? It's cracked open. So because this battery needs to be replaced, I would have never heard anybody come through this window because the battery needs to be replaced and it's open. And all you have to do is just walk up to the window and come right on it. Safety first, y'all. Safety first. So it is later in the day and dinner is ready. Olivia's almost done with her homework. But I just wanted to show y'all this chicken, y'all. It looks so good. I used Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Seasoned the chicken up, baked it a little bit with some complete seasoning, some, what is that, paprika and some pepper, a little bit of salt, and Sweet Ray's barbecue sauce, and then some leftover barbecue sauce that we had in the fridge from Walmart. And the amount of chicken that I had made 2 pans, so this will be leftovers for tomorrow's as well. I don't know how many sides, you know, how much the sides are going to be eaten, how much of the sides are going to be eaten, but whatever's left, then, you know, that'll go with the chicken tomorrow. Then I got some rolls in the oven. These are Marketplace rolls from Walmart. They are delicious. So that ends the vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.